Hi guys! This is the next video after we started our house foundation. Now we're going to continue digging out the house area. Right now my dad is oiling the mini excavator so it can work smoothly. This is what we had done from the last video. We have this area dug out, so going from the cone in the front, and we've got all the stumps that were here out, or most of them, and then we've gotten it done to that cone. So in this video we're going to do the rest of the house area. We brought the septic tank and the pump chamber on our trailer. My dad is just moving the dirt from the pile back here that we dug out from the inside of our house foundation. He's digging it out and putting it in the pile at the front so that we can have like a front of the yard that's like high. So when we like walk out of our house, we'll have like this nice area in the front that we can play in or do stuff. So we're gonna like flatten it all out and stuff.
Pump chamber one. We will do like 200 pump in the house.
So our garage area, we haven't done any digging there, but we're going to finish our house area in this video. Now that we've gotten around all the stumps and roots in this area, the digging is going a lot faster because we don't have to take any stumps out. Yeah, this is what we've gotten dug out.
Now he's going to do it.
So yeah, right here we also got a pile that we're also gonna have to move after my dad's done more work in the front. We're going to move this pile right here. And we found like a block of old cement in the ground when my dad was digging. So right now my dad's trying to break it so it's easier to carry it. It didn't break, so he's just taking it into a pile. But yeah, there's like a block of cement here. It's broken, but it makes it really hard for the excavator to dig, so we're trying to get rid of it right now. So yeah, there's like that layer and like the excavator can't dig through it, so we have to get rid of it. Well, we would have gotten rid of it either way. We just have to do it without using the excavator so that we don't wreck the bucket or anything like that. So yeah, this is the two that we brought over here, and we've got a pile of right here. So this is where my dad was bringing them, and we just got a big pile of them. We've done a bit more digging. Now that my dad's gotten a pile in the front, we're going to keep working on the house foundation. So we're putting it in the wheelbarrow and taking it to dump it in the pile at the front end. And there's Dennis walking around. In the top corner of the screen, I've written what day we're on for digging out the foundation. So in our last video, I did it from day 1 to day 4, and in this video, I did day 5 and day 6. So, and this stump right here, the one me and Dennis were digging in the last video, I'm gonna take it out. So it's out. So now we don't really have to worry about it anymore. Now there's just one less stump left. But we've still got all of these other ones right here. You can see with the camera. The big ones are going to be really hard to take out because of the big roots. But this is what we've gotten down so far. We've got less digging left now. We've done a bit more. So we've gotten most of the house area done. My dad is still digging the dirt over here, so he got rid of all the cement that was there. So now he's digging out the dirt and either putting it behind him so he can push it with the front of the excavator to the front, or he's putting it in the wheelbarrow so that we can take the dirt to the front. So yeah, my dad's digging it out. And my mom's carrying branches in the background. Luba's walking by. She's just taking out the last pieces of cement that are there. And I'm going to take the wheelbarrow with the dirt to where we're taking it. And Dennis is just walking around. my mom is making sure that we don't dig too deep. So we have this tool, and the thing in my mom's hand, like not the ruler or measuring tape, but the other thing in her hand, it's a tool that came with the tool that we're using. Not sure what it's called, but what it does is we have a tool standing in the background, and it just sends a laser around it, and the tool that was in my mom's hand, it finds where the laser is and tells you what level it is, and then my mom uses the measuring tape to see how much more we can dig. So yeah, my mom's checking how deep my dad's digging, so that we don't dig too deep, because then we'd have to area it back up and the ground wouldn't be as hard. It'd be like fluffy, well, not fluffy, but it wouldn't be like padded down as much, so it'd be a lot harder to build our house there. So now Luba's taking the wheelbarrow and I'm carrying the rocks or pieces of cement to the pile over there in the background. That's like our pile of garbage of like things we found in the ground. Found like plastic bags and like tubes and like jars and like old things that like tell you what, like when you buy a plant, the pieces of paper that are in like the pot that tell you what pot that is. We also found those. So it's the next day and we've gotten most of the house area done. We've just got like 2 more rows to go, then we'll be done. So we've got a big pile in the front now from dumping the wheelbarrow there. And yeah. So yeah, here's the pile. We're gonna rake it all out and like move it all around so that it's all level. This is what it looks like a while later. So we did some digging and we've gotten a little bit farther into it. Now my dad's digging over here. And yeah. So yeah, my dad's making that level right there. Then it goes into the pile, so take this. So yeah, we've gotten this stump out. Now we're going to use the excavator to pull it away from here and add it to our pile of things that we don't need. So yeah, we've tied a stick rope to it, and now my dad's going to pull it. That one in the background, we also dragged it out, so yeah. Now we don't have any stumps in the house area that we dug out, so that's good. Yeah, we're digging out the house area up to the orange stick that we have right there. Well, the stick with the orange ribbon tied onto it. Just a little to the side, I think. So yeah, that one right there. Yeah, now my dad is inside of the hole that we dug for where the house foundation's gonna go, and he's making it all be like this at the same level. So he's like taking out the extra dirt in there and making it all be nice and flat. Yeah, this is the giant pile of dirt that we have over here now, and yeah. So yeah, we're almost done digging out the stuff for the house area. We're just digging out that last area over there where my dad's with the excavator, and then we've just got to make it all like level with the area that tool is in. Like in the corner, it's all flat there, and the tool there, it's all flat so that the tool can give us like a nice level. Like that's the tool that like spins and gives a laser to the other tool that I was talking about, the one that my mom was using to make sure that it was all like the hole was all straight at the bottom, and that my dad didn't dig too deep. My dad's just moving the pile more forward, and we're gonna leave that area that we haven't dug out for now, like right there, so we can easily drive into the house area and drive out. Because my dad needs to go in there with the excavator, and then he's going to have to drive to the front, so he doesn't have to drive all over the pile. He can drive around it through the house area. And then we've still got those stumps in the garage area left to take out, stuff like that. So yeah, this is all the big stump from the last video. And my dad's almost done straightening it, just taking the last pieces of dirt out and making sure that it's all straight. So yeah, this tool right here that's spinning, it sends a laser out that's like at the same level at the whole time. And my mom uses the tool to make sure that it's all straight with the laser. So this is what we've gotten done. Most of the area is flat. We've just got an area to go in, and my dad's just finishing up. That part of the house area is done. And that's it. Thanks for watching.